Hi all, welcome to Infinite Knots. This is our episode 2 Single Crochet. Today we'll be learning how to do a single crochet. For this I'm using a acrylic yarn and a 3 mm hook. So first I'll make a slip knot. For that I'll grab the end of the yarn like this and I'll wrap it around my finger, and my hook goes under my first yarn, and grab the second one and I'll tighten it through my hook. So making a slip knot and how to do a chain stitch, we have covered it in our last video. If you're a beginner, you can surely watch that video and come back here. So basic thing is slip knot and the chain stitch. After that we'll be concentrating more on the single crochet today. So I'll make the first chain. This is my first chain. I'll continue this. So for this I am going to make an 8 chains. Okay, so this is my third and next comes my fourth. Your chain should not be more tight. If it's tight, your hook will get stuck like this, so make it bit loose. And this is my fourth and the fifth and sixth. Next is my seventh chain, and here goes my 8. So why I have given an extra chain is, always while doing a single crochet, the 8th chain will be your base chain, and the next one what I have did is your turning chain. So we leave out the turning chain, that is the 9th chain, and our base chain, that is the 8th chain. We will put our hook into the 8th chain, then we will start doing our single crochet. So this is my turning chain, that is the 9th one. Okay, so we'll concentrate on the 8th one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my hook through the 8th chain, that is the 8th V. Okay, I'm going to hook it through. So for hooking also we have 3 types, that is side. In the side we have 2 hooks. I'll show you. So this is one of the loop. Okay, in this loop also we can do the crochet, single crochet, or parallel to the first loop, parallelly we have the another loop. In that also we can make it. And back side we have bumps. You can see back to every chain we will have a single bumps. On that also we can do our single crochet. So this is how you will hook your, you will put your hook through the bump. Okay, so as a beginner you can choose the side chain, which will not be more confusing. So I will show you how to do a single crochet through the side chains. So I will take the 8th chain, that is my 8th V, from my slip knot, or you can say the base chain. I will put my hook through the 8th chain. Then what I will do, I will yarn over and pull through the first loop. So this is how I'll do. I'll show once again. I will put my hook through the side loop and then I will yarn over through the loop, only through the side loop. I will yarn over like this slowly, and then what I am going to do, through the working yarn I am going to yarn over once again. I will yarn over like this and pull through both the loop. Okay, for the single crochet this is what we do, and this is my first single crochet. Okay, so I will zoom it and do it for the next chain so you can look it into in a better way and it will be clear for you. So from the next chain we are not going to leave any of the chain. In each chain we are going to do it. I am going to do the single crochet from the next chain, that is my 7th chain. Okay, this is my 7th chain. This was the 8th chain and this is the 7th chain from the slip knot. So I am going to hook through that. My hook goes into the 7th chain, or the 7th V from the slip knot, and I will grab the yarn through that loop. And what I will do, again I will yarn over and take my yarn through the 2 loops like this. So this is my second single crochet. Same thing we are going to follow for the other 6. Okay, when I'm saying 6, you have to count it from the first slip knot what I have done, what we are going to do, or what we have done. That is the sixth one we have completed. Like this, till the first chain we have to follow the same procedure. You can take it slow as a beginner, because finding a loop and grabbing the yarn, it will be a bit confusing in the beginning. You don't have to be so perfect in the beginning. This will take time, so practice. Okay, maybe your chains will be uneven in the beginning, your chain stitch, it's okay. Only through practice you will make all the things right. Okay, so again I have 3 more. This is my third one from the slip knot. I have done the single crochet, again left out with just 2 chains, that is 2 V's, as you can see here. I'll just show you. This is the last second one and this is the last one. So we'll complete it. So one layer of single crochet gets completed here. Okay, slowly put your hook through that. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Slowly grab it and pull through the 2 loops. Same thing, you have to do it for the last one also. Maybe you will miss out the last one. Don't miss it. There will be a last one loop. You have to yarn over through that also, or else you will not have a perfect shape. So this is how our single crochet looks. So if you are a beginner, for more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and like and support.